Hello and welcome back. Hope you're good, doing well. So we are going to look at the Kiwi dollar. All right, so Kiwi dollar for the update. All right, so if you remember that we were expecting the Kiwi dollar to drop and visit these lows. So as we know that the trend is bearish since this top, okay, since price formed that top, all right, and price is dragging lower. Okay, so let's look at the previous Kiwi dollar analysis, and then we're gonna look at the update. Okay, that's the previous setup. Let's look at that. Back, hope you're good, doing well. So we are having Kiwi dollar. Kiwi dollar is in a bearish trend since we can say that March 2021, all right, and price is dropping from 74.60, and we are within this bigger sideways market, or in a descending channel, we can say that. So we are having a setup over there, all right, for another leg lower all the way back to this low or new low. Okay, so let's straight away get to the lower time frame. So there is a correction, very nice 4-hour time frame, or we can say that the 1-hour time frame correction is just simply setting up over there, okay, for breakdown. Okay, we are having a rate decision on a dollar today, FOMC rate decision on dollar. Okay, so chart is very much simple, clear, and easy to understand. There is no complication. You are simply looking for a sharp breakdown and continuation for more downside. Okay, so sharp breakdown and look for this to drop and continue to keep dragging lower. All right, simple and easy analysis. Okay, if we don't get a breakout for the downside and price struggle to go beyond that high, okay, 72.20. Okay, so setup still going to be valid for the downside on the dollar, Kiwi against the dollar. Okay, so a short setup, sell setup gonna remain over there. So only sharp breakup gonna change the pattern, okay, the channel which we are having over there. Sharp breakout, which I'm not anticipating like that kind of a sharp breakout back to that top. This is going to change that pattern, this channel. Okay, but still again, this chart gonna stay bearish or sideways. Okay, I'm not anticipating this move. So simply you are looking for this to break down and continue to keep dragging lower. Okay, so nice opportunity setting up over there. So thank you, we'll see you back again in another setup. All right, until then, bye. Okay, so that was the previous video analysis. Now let's look at the updates. Okay, so we were expecting that one-hour time frame breakout. Okay, we got that 1-hour time frame breakout. All right, and then after having that 1-hour time frame breakout, we were expecting a deeper pullback, a correction to appear over there. All right, and price to give us a deeper pullback or test that previous top for more downside. All right, and then we got that pullback, and the pullback was pretty sharp, we can say that. Okay, pullback came and was pretty sharp. Okay, now let's look at then we were expecting it to hold that previous top and then continue to keep dragging lower. Price held that previous top. Okay, this previous top went into a flat formation. All right, then we were expecting it to give us a breakout. Okay, this the correction which was just appearing over there, that correction to breakout. So we got a breakout. All right, there were a couple of updates on the Kiwi. Okay, so we got a breakout, correction was there, breakout happened, and then we were expecting it to just keep breaking down these lows and continue to keep dragging lower. So we got a good drop on it at the end on the Kiwi dollar, and that drop fueled by the higher inflation data in the US. Okay, so what's next? The move is already happening on its way on a bigger this daily time frame. The wave is happening over there. All right, so we still got a room over there on the Kiwi dollar to run all the way back to these lows, okay, or form new low, okay, which can extend up to 67. All right, so still room left over there on the Kiwi dollar US dollar. Okay, but you shouldn't be chasing the Kiwi dollar US dollar at such levels for more downside, as another correction is just due over there on the New Zealand dollar US dollar, like I'm showing on this 1-hour time frame, and correction is already happening over there. Okay, so if I'm gonna pull out this previous correction, okay, which I have just shown you on my updates, the updates which I have just shown you over there. Okay, so this correction is due the bigger the correction going to be, the better the potential going to be for more downside. All right, hopefully you understand that. The bigger the, okay, so you see there I'm showing a small correction, okay, but we have seen a bigger correction over there which tested that top, okay, which gave you to chase that move again, once again from that previous top, if you are not there from these previous corrections, okay, so give you another time to chase that from this previous top. So same again, there is a correction. It's a you know, it's not finished yet, okay, it can extend all the way back to that 71.40, all right, or it can drop, it can break out before going to hit that 71.40. so correction is underway, all right. So what I will suggest you to let that to get as much bigger as it can, okay. The bigger the correction, the better the place you're gonna get into the trade again for the downside, okay. So if it is not going to get bigger and going to break down again, all right, so sharply, you can chase that for short term back to that low or for more downside, all right, but potential is not going to be, you know, enough over there as with compared to the previous you know, top. So hopefully you understand that correction is underway, need to get that to get bigger for more downside. If it gets bigger, you are looking this to just keep breaking all the way back to these lows, all right, bigger. If not, if it's not getting bigger and you are already, you know, having that move from the top, then you are looking this to just stay small and keep breaking lower all the way back to that low, okay. If in, then looking for this to be small and keep breaking down. If not in, then looking for this to get bigger so that you can join that again from the previous or close to the previous top, all right. So hopefully that makes sense. We'll see you back again in another setup. Until then, bye.